My little one loves dinosaurs, and I found this dinosaur birthday party decoration and balloons kit that I think he'll love. I also wanted to show you what came in this package and how it all looks. It looks like everything comes compact in this bag. I like that you can reuse this bag as well because it does close up. You'll get some instructions here and a bag of all the balloons and balloon glue, which also has instructions on how to use it. Looks like these are a few extra balloons here and the arch strip. These are used to make balloon flowers, some shiny silver string, and these are the dinosaurs. And again, it offers instructions. This is the happy birthday sign. You get 2 packs of the green curtain backdrops, which are about 3 feet wide each. And lastly, these are the tassels with some instructions on the back. Now I know this isn't enough, so let me decorate our space with these and show you what the end result looks like. All right, here it is. We didn't use all the balloons or the tassels and strings. We didn't even use the happy birthday sign. We will use those another day, but we did use all the dinosaurs, and you can see that some of them are just as high as our table. I love the colors, and I know my little one will be so excited about the dinosaurs. You get so much with this kit that you can use it for multiple birthdays.